The American consumer has a thirst that goes beyond the simple need for hydration, not for water but for something more vibrant and zesty, for lemons. These bright yellow fruits have captured the hearts and taste buds of people across the nation. This vibrant fruit, once a rare treat, is now a staple in kitchens across the nation. Lemons have found their way into a myriad of recipes, from simple home-cooked meals to gourmet dishes prepared by top chefs. From zesty lemonades that quench our thirst on hot summer days to tangy desserts that tantalize our taste buds, the demand for lemons is soaring. Lemon bars, lemon meringue pies, and lemon sorbets are just a few examples of how this fruit has become a beloved ingredient in our culinary repertoire. This presents a golden opportunity for aspiring farmers, a chance to capitalize on a high-value crop and reap the rewards of this citrus sensation. The potential for profit is immense, and the market is ripe for those willing to invest time and effort into lemon cultivation. Traditionally, lemon production was limited to specific regions with warm climates. California and Florida have long been known for their lemon orchards, benefiting from the ideal growing conditions. But times are changing. Innovative greenhouse technology is breaking down geographical barriers, allowing farmers across the nation to cultivate this lucrative fruit. With controlled environments, even regions with less than ideal climates can now produce high-quality lemons. The result? A flourishing industry with the potential to transform the agricultural landscape. Lemon farms are sprouting up in unexpected places, bringing fresh, locally grown produce to communities far and wide. The allure of lemons lies not only in their demand but also in their versatility. This fruit can be used in countless ways, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. This single fruit holds the power to flavor countless culinary creations, from savory dishes to refreshing beverages. Lemon juice can brighten up a salad dressing, while lemon zest can add a burst of flavor to baked goods. And let's not forget the zest, a treasure trove of flavor that adds a punch to everything it touches. Whether it's sprinkled over pasta or mixed into a marinade, lemon zest is a secret weapon in the kitchen. This is not just about lemons, it's about tapping into a market hungry for fresh, locally sourced produce. Consumers are increasingly seeking out foods that are grown close to home, and lemons are no exception. It's about harnessing the power of innovation to create a sustainable and profitable farming venture. Modern farming techniques combined with renewable energy sources like solar panels are paving the way for a new era of agriculture. It's about seizing the opportunity to become a part of the American lemon revolution. By embracing new technologies and sustainable practices, farmers can not only meet the growing demand for lemons, but also contribute to a healthier, more resilient food system. The future of lemon farming is bright, and the possibilities are endless. The secret to unlocking year-round lemon production lies in the magic of greenhouses. These structures are more than just a shelter for plants. They are a revolution in agricultural technology. These climate-controlled havens provide the ideal environment for lemon trees to thrive regardless of the weather outside. Whether it's the scorching heat of summer or the freezing chill of winter, the greenhouse maintains a stable climate that is perfect for growth. Imagine a haven where the temperature is always perfect, the sunlight abundant, and the pests kept at bay. This controlled environment ensures that the lemon trees receive the exact amount of light and warmth they need to flourish. That's the power of a greenhouse. It's a sanctuary for plants, a place where they can grow without the stress of external factors. No longer at the mercy of unpredictable seasons, farmers can now harvest juicy lemons throughout the year, ensuring a consistent supply to meet the ever-growing demand. This continuous production cycle is a game changer for the agricultural industry. This translates into a steady stream of income, a dream come true for any farmer. With a reliable harvest, farmers can plan better, invest in their farms, and improve their livelihoods. But the benefits go beyond just production. Greenhouses are a beacon of innovation in sustainable farming practices. Greenhouses offer a more sustainable approach to farming. They allow for the efficient use of resources, reducing the environmental footprint of agricultural activities. By creating a closed-loop system, they minimize water usage, reduce the need for harmful pesticides, and protect the environment. This system recycles water and nutrients, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. It's about growing smarter, not harder. With advanced technology and innovative practices, greenhouses make farming more efficient and productive. The controlled environment of a greenhouse allows for precision farming at its finest. farmers can tailor the growing conditions to the specific needs of their crops, ensuring optimal growth and health. Farmers can meticulously monitor and adjust temperature, humidity, and light levels, ensuring optimal growing conditions for their lemon trees. This level of control is unparalleled in traditional farming. This results in higher yields, healthier fruit, and a superior product that stands out in the market. The lemons grown in greenhouses are not only more abundant, but also of better quality, making them highly sought after by consumers. As technology continues to advance, the potential for greenhouses grows even greater. Innovations in automation, data analysis, and sustainable practices are paving the way for the future of farming. Greenhouse farming also benefits local communities by providing fresh, locally grown produce. This reduces the need for long-distance transportation, cutting down on carbon emissions, and supporting local economies. Educational programs in greenhouse farming are training the next generation of farmers, equipping them with the skills and knowledge needed to continue this sustainable practice. The future of farming is bright, and greenhouses are leading the way. While lemons are a prime example, the potential for greenhouse farming extends to a wide variety of crops. From vegetables to flowers, greenhouses can support diverse agricultural production, making them a versatile solution for many farming needs. The thriving greenhouse industry is making a global impact, transforming the way we think about and practice agriculture. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and innovate for a better future. Like any business venture, starting a greenhouse lemon farm requires careful planning and an initial investment. Greenhouse lemon farming requires an initial investment, which includes the cost of constructing the greenhouse itself, purchasing high-quality lemon tree saplings, and ensuring that the soil and environment are optimal for growth. But don't let that deter you. The potential returns on this lucrative crop can far outweigh the upfront costs. With the right strategies and dedication, you can see significant profits. We're talking about turning your passion for agriculture into a thriving business. Imagine walking through rows of thriving lemon trees, knowing that each one represents a step towards financial independence and success. The initial investment will cover the cost of constructing the greenhouse, purchasing lemon trees, and setting up the necessary infrastructure. This includes setting up irrigation and climate control systems, which are crucial for maintaining the perfect growing conditions for your lemon trees. Additionally, you'll need to acquire other essential equipment, such as farming tools, fertilizers, and pest control measures to ensure the health and productivity of your lemon trees. Don't be afraid to explore financing options. Loans, grants, and even partnerships can help you get started. There are many resources available to support new farmers. Signing a loan agreement or forming a partnership can provide the financial backing you need to launch your greenhouse lemon farm successfully. Once your greenhouse is up and running, the revenue streams are diverse. The beauty of lemon farming is that it offers multiple avenues for income. You can sell fresh lemons to local markets, restaurants, and grocery stores, ensuring a steady demand for your produce. Additionally, selling directly to consumers at farmers markets or through a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program can create a loyal customer base. Consider value-added products like lemon juice, lemon zest, and other lemon-based products. These can significantly increase your profit margins. Products such as lemon-infused oils, handmade lemon soaps, and even lemon-based cleaning products can diversify your offerings and attract a wider range of customers. Remember, the key to success lies in meticulous planning and execution. A well-thought-out business plan is essential. Develop a comprehensive business plan, research your target market, and stay informed about industry trends and best practices. Networking with other farmers and industry experts can provide valuable insights and support. Attend industry conferences, join farming associations, and seek mentorship from experienced growers. With the right approach, your greenhouse lemon farm can flourish into a profitable and rewarding venture. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards of seeing your hard work come to fruition are well worth the effort. Section 4. The hurdles and how to overcome them. Greenhouse lemon farming, like any agricultural endeavor, comes with its share of challenges. But fear not, for every obstacle, there's a solution waiting to be discovered. It's about being resourceful, adaptable, and persistent in the face of adversity. One of the main challenges is the initial investment cost. Building a greenhouse and equipping it with the necessary technology can be capital intensive. However, government grants, agricultural loans, and even crowdfunding options are available to help aspiring farmers overcome this hurdle. Climate control is crucial for lemon trees. Maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels within the greenhouse requires careful monitoring and adjustment. Investing in automated climate control systems can significantly reduce the workload and ensure a consistently ideal environment for your lemon trees to thrive. Pests and diseases can pose a threat to your lemon trees. Implementing integrated pest management techniques such as introducing beneficial insects and using organic pest control methods can help keep these problems at bay while minimizing the use of harmful chemicals. Section 5: Success Stories from Seedlings to Riches. Across the nation, inspiring stories are unfolding. Stories of individuals who dared to dream of a greener future and turned their passion for lemon farming into a reality. These are the pioneers of the greenhouse lemon revolution, proving that with dedication and innovation, success is within reach. Meet Sarah, a former teacher who transformed her backyard into a thriving greenhouse lemon farm. What started as a hobby blossomed into a full-fledged business, supplying fresh, locally grown lemons to her community. Then there's John, a seasoned farmer who embraced greenhouse technology to extend his growing season and increase his lemon yield. He now enjoys a steady stream of income year-round, proving that innovation is key to staying ahead in the agricultural game. These success stories serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for aspiring greenhouse lemon farmers. They demonstrate that with hard work, determination, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, the dream of owning a profitable and sustainable lemon farm can become a reality.